Welcome back, GOBA students. Today we're conquering Unit 3, Cell Biology for your ESLC. Let's beat those traps.
Question 1. According to cell theory, what's the absolute fundamental unit of life? Take a quick think.
It's the cell, like mud bricks building a house. Tissue is a trap for bigger structures.
Next step, which of these is not a principle of cell theory? A, B, C, or D? Gabez, the trap is C. Living things have cells, but remember, bacteria are cells totally lacking a nucleus. Question 3. Which exact type of cell lacks a true nucleus? Take a second to look these over. Tiru, it's prokaryotic, like a village without a central chief. The animal option is just a sneaky distractor. Okay, question 4. What structure is found in plant cells, but definitely not in animal cells? Any ideas? Go, Bez! The cell wall is your strong compound fence. Examiners use membrane to trick you, so watch out. Halfway there. Question 5. Which cell part selectively controls exactly what enters and exits? Make your guess. It's the membrane, our trusty compound gatekeeper. The nucleus is just a trap for general control. Question 6. What's the main function of the large vacuole inside a plant cell? Think about it. Storage. It's exactly like a grain gatera. Energy is a classic ESLC trap meant for mitochondria. Next, the specific movement of water across a selectively permeable membrane is called what? What's your best guess? Tivru. Osmosis is water moving through a cloth filter. Diffusion is a trap meant for general particles. Question 8. If a cell is placed in a very salty, hypertonic solution, what happens? Think carefully here. Gobies. It shrinks like meat drying into quanta. Swell is a tricky trap for freshwater environments. Question 9. Which respiration process produces the most ATP energy? Take a moment. What's your answer? Aerobic makes the most, burning fiercely like a hot injera fire. Glycolysis is absolutely a tricky distractor. Last question, Gobi students. Where does aerobic cellular respiration mainly occur? Take your final guess. Go Bez. The mitochondria is your local power grid. Chloroplast is a tricky trap just for plant food making. Your biology is amazing. Trillions of cells perfectly organized. Keep studying hard. You're gonna ace this exam.